The Democratic presidential frontrunners are slamming President Trump's handling of the coronavirus pandemic. Former Vice President Joe Biden and Senator Bernie Sanders gave speeches yesterday after the president's primetime Oval Office address on Wednesday, and both condemned Mr. Trump's leadership.
The administration's failure on testing is colossal, and it's a failure of planning, leadership, and execution. The White House should measure and report each day, each and every day, how many tests have been ordered, how many tests have been completed, and how many have tested positive.
The United States government today must make it clear that in the midst of this emergency, everyone in our country, regardless of income or where they live, must be able to get all of the health care they need without cost.
And the Democratic candidates outlined their own plans to fight the coronavirus crisis. Nikole Killion is here with how the virus is affecting the campaign. So no surprise that they have their new plans. They want to show that they can be president. But how do you campaign for voters when you can't have events?
Absolutely. I mean, this completely changes the game. And what a difference a week makes. You know, at the beginning of this week, these candidates had a full roster of events, and now there's virtually nothing on their schedule. And so in the case of both the Biden and Sanders campaigns, we now know that their staffers are going to have to work from home. We know in the case of Sanders, they're no longer going to have large-scale events, that they're not going to do door-to-door canvassing. In the case of Biden, again, their staffers will be working from home starting Saturday. You also have them closing their campaign offices, and the Trump campaign also making changes too. Earlier this week, they told us it was going to be business as usual. They were going to keep these big rallies that the president loves so much, and now they're also giving workers the option of working from home. They're also no longer, at least for now, doing any public events or public rallies. Those have since been canceled.
I mean, we got a debate this weekend with no live audience. What are they hoping to accomplish there?
Well, it'll be an interesting dynamic, especially after our last debate, right? But certainly, I think we'll see a more substantive debate, a debate certainly focused on the issues, but not having that live component there will change the dynamic.
Nikole, thank you very much.